Welcome, in front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your fingerprint scanner doesn't recognize your fingerprint properly. So first open the settings, go into security and privacy, then go into device unlock, fingerprint scanner. And if you have some previous fingerprints added to your phone, then remove all of them before proceeding. And when you're ready, before clicking setup option, remove the cover of your phone and wipe the surface of your scanner with a dry towel, just to make sure that it reads the fingerprint correctly. Once you're ready, click setup, find the sensor and start pressing it until the fingerprint is added. And once everything is done, click done. Go back to settings and select system updates and check if your device has any updates pending. If it does, then take your time and install all the required updates, just to make sure that all features on your device work up to date. And then before we proceed, let's also restart our phone by holding down the power key and selecting restart, to make sure that all the settings applied. And when the phone is restarted, let's unlock it and try using the fingerprint scanner once again. So let's go ahead and check it out. And as you can see, everything went fast and smooth. So I hope it did for you too, and I hope this video helps you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.